Here are our 5 contestants. They are ready with the full Josh. Mata ready atta?
Yes!
Ha, darpule tetti boka dalat. Hello Salmalu, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to make something different again. So guess what? It's not anything about travel. We are home. It's a Sunday. I was thinking actually what to do. Then I suddenly thought about a challenge. It's not any eating challenge, but it's a cooking challenge. We got 4-5 people. I will give them a challenge to cook. It's not any difficult challenge, this day-to-day cooking thing. I'll give equal amount of same ingredients. So out of that, what they are going to do, let's see. It's a cloudy day today. I haven't seen sun today. It's really cold. Let me show you the temperature here in Lilongwe. Currently it is, as you can see, 18 degrees, but it's pretty cold, man. This is the first video after reaching 1000 subscribers. We are so happy and glad. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting us. So guys, we are ready here for our egg recipe challenge. So here are our 5 contestants. They are ready with the full Josh. Mata ready atta?
Yes!
Ha, darpule tetti boka dalat. Okay, so let's get started, man. I am giving them 10 minutes of time. We have kept a lot of ingredients here. They have to make anything, any recipe out of egg. Maximum eggs they can use is 4, and we have also kept bread slices. Maximum they can use 2 of them. So let's get started how they are going to do this challenge. Stay tuned. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇರೆ ಬಾರಿ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಉಳ್ಳೇರು ಖಾಲಿ ಆನಿಯನ್ ಹಿಡಿದಾದ ಮಲ್ಪಲೆಕೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇರ್ಲಾಗ ಅಂತಿತ್ತೇರು. Even the milk is here. I don't know what is it for. So let's go and check out what's happening on each gases. Second one here, third one here, the fourth one, the eggs are already here. అక్క ఈడు దాదా అని పరు దాదా వాళ్ళతో ఉందిలే రకులు. Mayur?
Dude, I'm doing this thing from Portuguese, sir.
Together with the taste, we are also counting on the presentation.
Chinese.
ಒಂದು tribute to Hejamadi Sudanna. So Mayur has already finished his recipe. So let's taste at the end how it is. So we are finally done with our 10 minutes. So here Mayur is done with his exceptional recipe. Mayur, what do you say? What recipe is this?
This is just from the streets of Surat. It's called simple bread pakoda.
Okay,
Just garnished with some.
let me show you this one first, then we will taste all together. Now the second recipe is done by Mr. Kishan Kumar. So looking really delicious. And the third recipe by Rahul Pujari. And the third one, sorry, the fourth one by Mr. Mukesh Pujari. Looking yum with the smiley face on the dish. And the final one from the Gonga man, Prajwal. Looks like a sandwich, but presented beautifully.
No.
Luckiest wife. So here we are with our final recipes below here, as you can see. The ladies are going to taste it, and even myself I'll taste, and we are going to write the points for each recipe they have done. Then we are going to make a total, I mean the sum. Then we will find out whose recipe is a hit. Stay right there. So ladies, are you ready? Okay, let's taste it. Come.
You know what I made? Which one I made? Look good. Oh, ira chotuk din or kem.
ರಾತ್ರಿ ಒಣ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಪಡೋದು ಜಾಮ್ದು
ಭಾರಿ ಶೋಕ ಆಗ್ತಂಡು
Let us finish this one. Our talent. That's why I'm going forward. Clear on food pura very near aatu. That's so computer.
ಓಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಗಳ ನಿಖುಲ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪ್ಲೆ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್
ಅವ ಅದ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೈ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅರ್ಧಡಿ ಬಿಡಿಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಆತ್ ಬೇಯ್ತು ಜೋ
ಅಂತ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೆ
ಪೋಯ್ಲೆ ಕೊಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಮ್ ಒರಿ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ದೀಪಿನ ಒರಿ ಅವು ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ದೀಪಿನ ಅಂತ ನೆತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಏರ ಇಂಕ ಆ ಒಂದು ಉಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೊಂಚ ಎಡ್ಡೆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂಚೂರು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ थोड़ा आगे आओ एक जज ने जस्ट इंदरू ಏನು ಪಾಸಂಗ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅರೆ ಬಡಾ ತುಮಕೋ
everything looked promising, and yes, we are not bad. Being bachelors here for 5 to 6 years here in Malawi, that's what helped us to cook something like this.
ಅವನಂಜು ಮಲ್ಪೊಡಿತ್ತನ್ರಿ ಗೌಡ
It's good na? It's good na?
ತಿಂದ
Wow. Avesa matam.
They are giving the points, and we are also counting the points who has scored, who has made the dish delicious. So, I'll tell you who did better.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, guys, we are finally done with giving the points. Out of 10, we gave the points. 3 of them got 33 points each. So, after me and Tripti got together and we chose one from 3. Actually, it was very surprising news for all of them here and also for you, maybe. But the presentation was not the best, but the taste was different and amazing. The winner, we would say, is Rahul.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you, one and all. I got inspired from Sudanna from our hometown. Okay.
So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel, and
The bell button.
don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notifications which we post on the future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.